How do I add minutes or data to my prepaid phone?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to add minutes or data to your prepaid phone. If you're running low on minutes or data and need to top up, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to easily add minutes or data to your prepaid phone. Let's get started.
Checking your current balance.
Before we proceed with adding minutes or data, it's important to check your current balance. This way, you'll know exactly how much you need to add. To check your balance, follow these steps. 1. Dial the specific code provided by your service provider to access the balance inquiry menu. 2. Listen carefully to the voice prompts or check the text message you receive, as it will typically contain your current balance information. It's crucial to keep track of your balance to avoid running out of minutes or data when you need them the most.
Adding minutes.
If you want to add minutes to your prepaid phone, here's what you need to do. 1. Determine the method available for adding minutes. Different service providers offer various options such as online, over the phone, through a mobile app, or via retail stores. 2. Once you've identified the preferred method, follow the instructions provided by your service provider to proceed with adding minutes. 3. You may need to provide your phone number and payment information to complete the transaction. 4. After the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that the minutes have been added to your prepaid phone. Remember, the specific steps and options may vary depending on your service provider, so make sure to follow their instructions carefully.
Adding data.
If you're looking to add data to your prepaid phone, here's how you can do it. 1. First, determine the available methods for adding data offered by your service provider. These can include online, through a mobile app, or via retail stores. 2. Once you've chosen the method, follow the provided instructions to proceed with adding data to your prepaid phone. 3. You may need to provide your phone number and payment information during the process. 4. Once the transaction is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message or notification stating that the data has been successfully added to your prepaid phone. Keep in mind that the steps for adding data may differ slightly from adding minutes, so it's important to follow your service provider's instructions to ensure a smooth process. Congratulations! You've learned how to add minutes or data to your prepaid phone. Remember, it's essential to check your balance regularly to avoid any interruptions in your service. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your service provider's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day!